Hello. In a previous video, which you will see at this link, I showed you this knitting pattern, which is made with one thin and one thick hook. One is number 4, the other is number 8. Today I will show you a variation of this knit, also very easy, but with a slightly different effect, in which large and small loops alternate. Both can be used in combination. The knitting consists of 4 rows and 2 loops. A twisted elastic stitch 1/1 is knitted all the time on both sides. 3 of the rows are knitted with the thin hook, and 1 row with the thick one. With the thick hook, it is knitted on the WS, which also looks good. The first row is on the WS and we knit with the thick hook. Knit 1 through the back. Purl 1 ordinary. Knit 1 through the back. Purl 1 ordinary. Row 2, 3, and 4 with the thin hook. Knit 1 through the back, purl 1 ordinary. Knit 1 through the back, purl 1 ordinary. Knit 1 through the back, purl 1 ordinary. With these 4 identical rows, we got a slight openwork knit, which turns out to be very even. It is perfect for scarves and is very suitable for spring and summer. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.